I think, Foursquare has been around 4.5 years, and over the last 4.5 years, we've basically built this incredible data set using, with our 45 million users. We see 6 million check-ins every day. We have 55 million points of interest in our database. And so what we're really able to do now is really infer and predict what we think is interesting to someone at a particular location. So it's not just about geofencing and being specific that you're at a lat longitude, but it's the context around that. And I think that's the most important thing as we talk about where the world's going. It's not just I'm at a place, it's what do we think's interesting while you're in that place, what goes on during that time. And so what we've seen are brands, certainly the retailers and restaurants and any merchant that's got a physical location, use Foursquare to help when our users are looking to discover and find new places and find places to go. I think Vegas is certainly one of those places where there's so many things you can do, and our users look to Foursquare to help figure out the best places to go or what to do at a particular time. And so we see merchants take advantage of that in the form of a product we have called Promoted Updates. Another thing another product we launched last year was post check-in ads. So think about that's the ultimate holy grail. I'm at a particular place. For Bacardi, who I know just went before, you're at a bar, you're at a restaurant where their products are sold. And so the opportunity to reinforce that message at the right time and place in the right environment is something that's also really powerful. And then we do a lot of things with our data. So the ability for a brand to leverage all the real world behavior. So we know, a lot of people say they do things, but they don't ever do it. We know what people actually do. And so marketers are really looking to leverage that data that we have to help reach the Foursquare user in different environments when they may not be on Foursquare. So I think all in all, that's where we're seeing a lot of marketers working with some great brands, a lot of great mindshare clients as well. So what we've really built is software. So we built software over the last 4.5 years that finally the hardware is catching up to the software we've built. And so when you look at things like wearables, think about how Foursquare and the data we have can plug directly into what people have on their wrist, or things that health monitorings, and there's so many different ways that the data we have can plug right into wearables. Or the car. I know GM made a big announcement about 4G LTE in car, and so again, people are in their car looking for places whether to get gas or whether to stop and get a snack. And Foursquare, the data we have can really plug right into that type of environment. And so I think the future and where the world's going is all about glass and ways that you can take data, plug it in, and make that consumer experience better. And so what we're most excited about is all the great stuff we've been working, all the magic we know we've been doing, our ability to now really bring that at a bigger scale because of the hardware and all the new devices that are coming out.